Drawing tablets offer the kind of flexibility traditional tools cannot match. Whether it's sketching, painting, photo editing, or 3D design, the right tablet can bring your work to life. In this video, we'll go through the top 6 best drawing tablets you can buy right now, whether you're a beginner, a student, or a professional illustrator. From budget-friendly options to high-end models with incredible features, I'll help you find the perfect one for your style and needs. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the right drawing tablet for you.
This video is presented you by TrustyPix.
Number 6. Wacom 113 Touch. For digital artists who prefer a pen display, the Wacom 113 Touch is a great option. This drawing tablet stands out with its touchscreen. A 920 x 1080 Full HD resolution display allows for 10-finger multi-touch gestures, giving artists a new dimension of intuitive use and interaction. You can utilize several gestures like scrolling, panning, and zooming during the creative process while you're drawing in a program, or you can turn it off altogether. I was able to go hands-on with this drawing tablet and was very impressed by the pen-to-paper feel. The stylus had great palm rejection technology, and Wacom promises you never have to charge it. The Wacom 113 Touch is a great fit for artists who prefer a screen display but still want to use programs like Adobe or Corel Painter. While the tablet is advertised by Wacom as one for aspiring artists, it's higher. Price tag might be better off for artists already familiar with drawing tablet. Number 5. Zenslabs Pen Tablet Bundle. All of these drawing tablets come with a stylus pen, but this tablet from Zenslabs allows you to add more accessories to further enhance your experience. You'll get combo nibs, a drawing glove, a quick keys remote, and 2 battery-free pens for 2D and 3D design. Multiple verified Amazon customers said that the customization options of this drawing tablet is ultimately what drove them to purchase it. It's a pen tablet, so there is no display, but it is built with a gently curved armrest on the sides and is only 8 mm thick, making it super comfortable to use. Nick Saporito, a graphic designer who has been teaching for over 10 years how to use design software and drawing tablets on his, likes the precision and surface area of the Zenslabs pen tablet. The feature that stands out to me the most is the programmable controller it comes with, Saporito said. It can be used to create custom key bindings for whatever features you most commonly use. For example, you can program one of the buttons to undo by binding it to Ctrl+Z. He also added that the glove that comes with the bundle keeps the tablet from accidentally registering your hand as a pen stroke. In addition, the pen's various removable tips allow for different types of brush strokes and detailing. Number 4. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. Artists who are Wacom fans but prefer a pen display over a pen tablet should look no further than the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. You get an incredible display, reliable software, and an excellent drawing experience. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 comes in 4 sizes: 16, 24, 27, or 32 inches. No matter what size you get, you can expect a 4K resolution display with industry leading color accuracy, including 99% Adobe RGB coverage. You can see every tiny detail and stroke of your artwork, design, or photographic projects. A director, storyboard artist, and writer for animation said he only uses Wacom tablets. After using the Wacom 21UX for 15 years, he upgraded to the Cintiq Pro 24 and said he couldn't be happier. Wacom products have been incredibly reliable for me, he said. Their driver software is consistently reliable compared to other companies, and their software and hardware support have always been great. It will take a lot for me to switch away. The tablet utilizes the same Pro Pen 2 as the Intuos Pro, so you'll still get that pen-to-paper feel even on a tablet screen. Said they ultimately opted for the Cintiq Pro 24 thanks to its 4K resolution, glass surface, and sheer precision. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom is undoubtedly one of the industry leaders in drawing and graphics tablets, and it just upgraded the Intuos Pro in 2025. Some of those changes include a new, more advanced pen, moving the dials and buttons from the side to the top, and thinner bezels to allow a larger working area on the tablet's surface. What remains is that the device still has virtually no lag and 8190, 2 levels of pressure sensitivity, and is available in 3 sizes to suit any artist's hand. The Wacom Intuos Pro is the best drawing tablet on the market for professional artists like who used the Intuos Pro for visual effects on Game of Thrones. The tablet's lightweight design makes it easy to use on your desk or lap. You can also customize everything from the tablet's express keys to the Pro Pen 3's buttons depending on your favorite shortcuts. Trusty Pix writer Maria Diaz went hands-on with the tablet and said it pleasantly surprised her. The Wacom Intuos Pro also lets you navigate your computer like a giant trackpad with a pen, she said, adding, "You can use shortcuts to work on different programs that the tablet will recognize when you switch between them. For example, you can use your tablet for a more intuitive photo or video editing experience on Adobe, Photoshop or Premiere Pro, respectively, which has been the biggest use I've gotten out of it." Number 2. Huion Canvas Pro 13. If you're shopping on a budget, Huion drawing tablets have come a long way in the last few years. This Huion tablet has 4 user-defined and customizable express keys, and a touch bar to control canvas zooming, brush adjusting, and page scrolling. The display's 120% sRGB color gamut volume presents 16.7 million colors vividly. In addition, the anti-glare technology reduces glare while working in a brighter setting to shorten the distance between the pen nib and the cursor. A freelance concept artist told Trusty Pix that he works exclusively with Huion tablets. "Huion makes the best tablets when it comes to value and cost," he said. Huion also does not have issues with driver updates, which I appreciate. Even though this is a pen display tablet, this model still requires you to connect it to a computer or laptop for it to work. Still, Reddit users note that the display screen is both glare and scratch resistant. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 7th generation. Apple's most powerful tablet is our pick for the best drawing tablet, thanks to its ease of use and superb display that provides crisp detail while drawing. In May, Apple upgraded the iPad Pro with an M4 chip that delivers better performance, battery, and a brighter display. Trusty Pix's editor-in-chief Jason Heiner even said that the M4 OLED iPad Pro is a much easier sell for professional digital artists. Both the 11 and 13-inch iPad Pros feature an OLED display with ProMotion with up to 1,600 nits for HDR content and improved color accuracy at a per-pixel level. If you plan to do a lot of professional drawing work, you will have more than enough power with the Apple Silicon M4 chip and high storage options. The tablet has Apple Pencil Pro compatibility, giving you a professional feel while allowing you to draw by hand. Upgrades added to this model include a squeeze function to switch between tools, colors, and line weights, a gyroscope, barrel roll for precise brush and pen control, and custom haptic feedback that you can feel via a pulse. This concludes our ranking of the top best drawing tablets. If you find this video to be useful, kindly press the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Fill out the space below with your thoughts. For your time, I'm grateful. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video to be helpful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming stuff. Whoever got this far. When the next video comes out, I want to see you there.